Got a fire starter on the outside. This is a hazard, kind of a tactical kind of by Hazard 4. I guess it's for, you know, like these here Nalgene bottles. That's kind of what I use it normally for, Nalgene. So titanium spoon, sport, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna keep that in there. Then on the inside, you can see, you can keep something up here. I don't keep anything in there. And inside, I've got my own kind of pot that I've made up here. All right, so that's the Hazard 4. And these things are kind of cool. I've got 2 of these. I keep this one in one as well. I keep one on each pannier. This one here is actually, they're kind of like, I don't know, soft. They're insulated. So if you do have something cold like this, it keeps it cold. It's almost like a little, what do you want to say, a cooler. All right. So in here, I've got 2 Stanley pots. This one here is the Stanley coffee pot. I don't have the coffee pot insert. I took that out and I use my own nesting system, as you can see. So in here, all right, so I keep another Stanley pot in it, and I keep it nested with a bandana. All right, so you got a bandana. All right. And in this pot, because it doesn't go all the way to the bottom, I carry a bag of salt. I carry some of my special dry rub. And then I carry the lid to my Yeti cup. All right. So with all that said, set that to the side here. So I replaced the plastic tab with a ring, a metal ring, so it didn't melt. All right. And the lid fits both. I like this lid. It's got some drain spouts here if you need it. Also when you're steaming, or when it's boiling, lets the steam out. All right, this is my screen guard. And if you guys watch the next video I'm getting ready to post, I'm gonna show you how to make one of these, okay? So be on the lookout for that. And then in here, I've got pepper. Nested in there. All right, nice, right there. Nested in there is my Yeti cup. ADV gourmet style, you know that, baby. Then in the Yeti cup, over here, I keep my stove. And this is my favorite stove. This, I'll tell you what, these Fancy Feast stoves are the Shiznit Bambizzle. I've actually got, oh gosh, I forget the name of this. It'll come to me in a minute. But anyhow, it's wool. It's a welder's wool or such like that. But it holds a good flame. There's some soap, lighter, and a candle. So that's what I keep in my kit. They're all nested together. Real nice. Put it all back for you guys. And really with the spices and the salt and such, you can keep them up here or you can keep them in the bottom of this part here. It doesn't really matter, honestly. It will all fit. Squeeze that. Lid to the bottom. Spices. Grab this. And this is, I'll tell you what, I like carrying a bandana because the bandana serves a couple purposes. If you don't have gloves that you can grab something hot, you can use a bandana. If you need to wash out a pot, you can use the bandana. If you need to wipe your face because you're a messy eater, use a bandana. So I like carrying a bandana. Nest nicely in there. Set that up there. And there you have it. Oh, nice and tight. I could actually keep some other things up in here. You could put the spices up here if you wanted to, you know, if you need easy access to them, you know. But that is the ADV Gourmet Camp Kitchen as of now. It could change, you know, and there's nothing wrong with changing up the camp kitchen. You know, this one right here, I like it. It's nice and compact. There's a couple limitations to it, you know. It's hard to bake, you know, real hard to bake with this. Really don't have a frying pan, so it's hard to fry, you know. So this is really more of what I would consider maybe an ultralight. I don't know if it is ultralight, but maybe like an ultralight setup, to where it's very minimum of what you're taking. You know, you got 2 pots, one for coffee, me, you know, one for your food, you know. And I like to do a lot of one-pot meals, especially when I'm camping. So a lot of times I find that I ride hard during the day, and I'm not looking to, you know, go crazy on my meal. Now, I want it gourmet. Trust me, I want it to taste good. And that's what gourmet is. It's all about tasting good. It's not about what you're doing. It's about how you're doing it. All right? Now, with that being said, you know, as of right now, this is my camp kitchen. You guys, comment below. Do you like this? What should I change? What did I miss? Did I miss something? If I did, put it down below. Show me some pictures of your camp kitchens. And until the next video, I'll see you ADV hooligans out on the trails. Peace.